Hello my good people, welcome back to another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below and know how you liking the video so far. So it is 3:30. Happy 4th of July. My family's having a gathering around 5:30, 6 o'clock I believe. We had a tragedy happen yesterday, so I'm so excited to be around my family. So excited. We tend to take stuff for granted, and yesterday really showed me that we are all we got. We have to stick together. But this is not this vlog. This is a happy vlog. This is a fun vlog. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys my outfit and then see you guys at the cookout. So this is my outfit. I got these Nike slides on, or the sandals, whatever. These white shorts I got from Shein. My Nike shirt, of course, from Nike. And it's cold as hell. This is cold as hell, but it's hot as hell outside. So I got my mic. So I'm gonna bring like 1 or 2 of these to my aunt's house, but I know they got the liquor. If she don't, my older brother did. And I'm so excited to set up fireworks. I love fireworks. I love watching them. I think they're so freaking romantic. But my girlfriend isn't coming. She's gonna spend time with her family. So it's gonna be romantic for me to just watch, I guess, right? Well, let's pray this is a good vlog. I'll get some nice footage. And I hope you guys are enjoying yourself with your family and your loved ones. Happy 4th to you guys. I think I'm gonna wear my fanny pack. Let me see what it's gonna look like. Hold on. Alright, so I got this black one. It goes with my shoes. I'm not this big anymore. I need to make it smaller. Not too small though. You've been in the gym, girl, but you ain't lose all that weight. Not yet. Give it some time. Yeah, maybe I could do this. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Found some goods. Oh, this is my room key for my cruise to Bermuda. Love memories. I'm gonna forever keep that. I just be taking stuff out and not. I mean, I just be taking stuff off and not even looking to see if there's anything in here. All right, so let's see what this looks like. So what y'all think? I wish I had a blue one, honestly. A blue fanny pack. Oh, so you guys know I need my undershirts under everything. So I do have a blue undershirt on. Red, white, and blue, baby. But this fanny pack, I'm gonna carry my cell phone, my money, and my cell phone in here. So that works. Change your plans. I'm gonna wear my Yeezy slides. So I changed my bag. I have this Michael Kors bag on, and I'll show you guys my shoes. So I'm 30, right? But I still would not like cuss in front of my family unless I'm really, really so freaking upset. I just refuse. Like, I'm grown as heck, but it's a respect thing for me. Like, even when my friends are around and my family come around, you say hello, you say good night, you say good morning, whatever it is, you know, put some respect on that type thing. So now I'm at the age like where I can drink with my family. Well, since I was like 21, and I just love going to gatherings and being able to drink with my family and just chill. I just love it. But yeah, we're on the way to the cookout because y'all them fireworks out there. Let's go. Y'all see this? And I'm not going home to change. Oh, irritating. I knew it was gonna rain, but damn, not like this.
No, no. Feel space and time like this, my love. Never met a girl so fine like this. No, 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 no. Never waste a wine like this, my love. Only you really want to tame me. Only the radio to play me. Now you wish I was complacent. You miss some step of it. Now you wanna have conversation. See me testing my patience.
say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you got it right. Body rude is polite. Don't be in the home, but tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go good tonight. Posing hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's play where the love is like. I put that on my hood, on my hood. I look fly.
I got my burnt hot dog.
Yeah, I'm a product with a black.
Cookout for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did what by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my...
I'm an outlaw, got an outlaw chick. I'm a two.
I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh.
80 years, my baby mama harder than the lattice. Cross the line, speak about mine and back. I click clack with your motherfucking.
Yeah, we took probably like another 30 minutes. Alright, and then we could do that. Yeah, put them all together. Put them all together. Oh no. Okay, like we're doing marshmallows.
Hot dog, marshmallows. Okay, mine's. Do I blow it out?
No.
No.
Let it go.
Mine's
You gotta get the whole thing.
It's not doing anything.
Yeah, you gotta get the whole thing. I was gonna get one, but I forgot.
The long one? How did my already?
Yeah, the long ones.
Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, badly got you, I'm a white dog in Venezuela. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young past, last life. Now everybody go job very fast. I say bye bye yo, bye bye yo, to the love of my life. My eye yo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, 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 shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, shadow. I need to go and shadow, 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 shadow. Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a see, but the bong, 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 your body.
Y'all see my shoes? They got ruined.
Yeah.
What up? Happy fuck my good people. Yeah.
Birthday, dear Sky. Happy birthday to you. Here. Well, get over here.
Dang.
Who knows? Don't do nothing stupid, video.
I sure won't.
Take my picture. Say hello to my good people. Hey, to Sabe. Happy 4th. Move out the way.
try to need you, but I need some last time. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't.
Alright, my good people, it is 2:30 in the morning. I'm freaking tired. So remember to love our people who love on us, and together this world be a better place. As you guys hear, fireworks are still going. It's gonna last until Christmas.